Bacula Enterprise Edition to the rescue.
Welcome to this quick demo of how to do powerful backup and restore of OpenStack using Bacula. Here, the Bacula bweb GUI and its OpenStack dashboard screens are shown. Let's now run an OpenStack backup. The rather long named Bacula Proxy VM rel19fd OpenStack Cirrus Instance 1 backup job is selected. This job has been generated using bweb Automation Center to backup the OpenStack instance named Cirrus Instance 1. In the backup job name, we can also see the Proxy VM rel19fd name, which is the name of the Bacula client used to back up the OpenStack instance. The Proxy VM rel19fd is an instance in the OpenStack server where the Bacula FD and the OpenStack plugin are installed. You can see here that the level of the backup job has been modified to full and clicked in the Run job to execute the backup. Now the backup starts and the job log is displayed. And here the instances in the OpenStack server are listed. We can see here the resulting backup job log. You can see the volume snapshot is displayed in the OpenStack dashboard. The plugin is doing the snapshot of the volume. The new volume created by the backup is displayed right here. It is attached to the Proxy VM rel19fd instance to perform the backup. We can see the bytes and read bytes values increasing. The complete job log is displayed here. It shows clearly that the backup is finished successfully. Here we can see the Cirrus Instance 1 instance object in the Bacula catalog listed, and it can be used for restores. In the OpenStack dashboard, the volume created by the plugin for the backup has been removed. Now, with the backup all done, let's start a restore. What I'm going to do in this example is to modify where to / to restore the instance directly to the OpenStack cluster. Keep replace equals never. In the OpenStack tab, check the Try to connect server to original network option, and then simply run the restore. We are just waiting a short moment for the restore to complete. Alright, the restore job has finished successfully, as we can see in the job log. OK, take a look at this. We can see the Cirrus Instance 1.1 new instance, which is the restored Cirrus Instance 1 instance. Because the Cirrus Instance 1 instance exists, and the value is set to replace equals never, Bacula creates a new instance named Cirrus Instance 1-1, based on the original instance name plus -1. We can also confirm the status of the new instance is running. Thanks for watching. I hope that gives you a good idea of how easy and quick it is to do just one of a variety of different backup and restore techniques for OpenStack. Bye for now.